Dear students of class 1, the topic that we are going to study in the video is Grandma by Nicholas Horsburgh. I am Mrs. Neha Makkar. So first of all children, let us understand who is a grandmother. A grandmother is the eldest person in the family who takes care of her grandchildren, who cooks lovely food for them. She knows all the likes and dislikes, means all the favorite and non-favorite things of her grandchildren. She can make her grandchildren happy in a moment as she knows everything about them. Grandma is also a story about a grandmother who has 4 grandchildren. As you can see in the picture, the 4 grandchildren are Jessica, Surbhi, Brian and Shelly. 3 girls and 1 boy. So, we will do the reading of the lesson first. Grandma is sitting in her rocking chair. So, as you can see in the picture, there is a wooden chair there in the picture. And this chair can move in the front and the back as it is put or mounted on a wooden board. So this is a rocking chair which can move in the front as well as at the back. She is rocking slowly. So the grandmother is sitting and moving in the front and back slowly, forwards and backwards. So forwards means children in the front direction and backwards means directed towards the back. Forwards and backwards, forwards and backwards. The rocking chair is making a noise. Okay, so the rocking chair is making some kind of noise there. What kind of noise it is making? Creak, squeak, creak, squeak. So now children, creak means noise of wood bending. So what wood is bending here? The wood of the chair is bending and that is making the creaking sound. Okay, so creak means noise of wood bending or something which is not moving or something which is not moving slowly. Squeak. So squeak is again a short, high and loud noise. So now children, when the doors make the noise, they make which kind of sound? They make the creaking sound. Okay, so in rainy season, sometimes you find that your doors are making noise. That is the creaking sound. And mouse, the kind of noise which the mouse makes, that is the squeaking sound. So now I think you can understand both the kinds of sound that the rocking chair is making. Grandma shuts her eyes. So the shuts means she closes her eyes. Jessica, Surbhi, Brian and Shelly come into the room. So the 4 grandchildren enter the room of grandma. They can hear the rocking chair. So they hear the sound of the rocking chair. Again, creak, squeak, creak, squeak. The children look at grandma. Grandma's eyes are shut. The children giggle. So when they enter the room, they see that the grandma has closed her eyes and the children are giggling. So what is the meaning of giggling, children? It is to laugh in a silly way or to sometimes laugh inside your mouth. Grandma opens one eye, she smiles. Okay, so when she sees that her grandchildren have come, she opens her eyes and then one of the grandchildren, that is Jessica, she asks, "Are you tired, grandma?" The rocking chair just does not stop rocking. So even when she is talking to the grandma, the rocking chair in which the grandma is sitting, it is still making the noise. Then the second grandchild, that is Surbhi, she again questions, "Please tell us, grandma, what can we do?" So now when they see their grandma, they ask her what they can do for their grandmother. "What can you do?" asks grandma. "What can you do?" So then the grandma questions them that if you want to do something, what is it that you can do for me? Grandma smiles. "You can do anything," she says. "You can write, you can read, you can play, you can sing, you can dance." So a grandma is a very selfless person. She does not want anything for herself, but she says that if you want to give me happiness, then you study properly, then you play, then you sing, then you dance, then you enjoy your hobbies, and you do your studies properly. That will give me happiness. Okay, that will make me feel happy. Can you dance, grandma? Asked Brian. So the grandchild, Brian, that is the boy, he asks that, can you dance, grandma? So she says, no, no, says grandma, my bones are old. So the meaning of old is, children, that she is not young, she is not energetic like the grandchildren, and we also have a grandma at home, and sometimes she also complains of pain in her legs, hands, and back because she is getting old. She is not young like us. Creak, squeak, creak, squeak. Can you fly, grandma? Asked Shelly. So the fourth grandchild, that is a girl, again she asks that, can you fly, grandma? Can you fly like birds in the air? Can you jump over the moon, grandma? Asked Jessica. The other girl, Jessica, also, she also asks that, can you jump? Then Surbhi asks, can you ride a bicycle, grandma? So all the three girls, that is Shelly, Jessica, and Surbhi, they ask that, grandma, that, are you able to fly like a bird, or can you jump over the moon, or can you ride a bicycle like us? The rocking chair stops rocking. Can you see a bird in that tree? Asks grandma. Yes, say the children. Good, says grandma. Now fly away and play with it. The children run away. Grandma smiles. The rocking chair starts rocking. Creak, squeak, creak, squeak. Now children, the rocking chair stops rocking, means it stops, means to finish moving. So it is not moving anymore. And then the grandma asks a question to the grandchildren. What question she asks? She says, can you see a bird in that sky? So the reply given by the children is together, yes. So then grandma says, good. Now fly away and play with it. So if you can see the bird in the sky, now you all also fly away and play with that bird. The children run away to play, and seeing that, the grandma smiles. The rocking chair, it again starts rocking, and what kind of sound it makes? Creak, squeak, creak, squeak. So children, these two sounds are of, like, creak is of the door, a wooden door, it's moving front and back, and the squeaking sound is of the mouse. Thank you, children.